Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Walgreens video for you guys. These deals started on Sunday, May 28th, and they are good up until Saturday, June 3rd. But before I get into these deals, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed, I would really appreciate if you would go ahead and click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload new videos. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into these deals. Okay, you guys, so I did two separate transactions with the P&G products. Those were in my first transaction, and in the second transaction were the 4 Clorox bleach. So on my first transaction, I did have a digital booster get $20 in Walgreens cash when you spend $40. So let's go ahead and talk about my first transaction. So in my first transaction, I grabbed this Tide liquid 37 ounce, Tide Pods 16 count, Downy Calm fabric softener 32 ounce, Bounce dryer sheets 105 count, this Gain laundry detergent, this is the 88 ounce, and then I grabbed some Gain flings, and this is the 31 count. So those are all of the items that I grabbed in my first transaction. So with the Tide liquid, the Tide Pods, the Downy, and the Bounce dryer sheets, those items are priced at Walgreens for $5.49. The deal is when you buy 4, you will receive back a $5 register reward. So what you're going to want to do is pick up 4 of each: Tide liquid, Tide Pods, Downy fabric softener, Bounce dryer sheets. That's going to bring your total to $21.96. We have a $1 digital coupon on the Walgreens app for the Tide liquid, $1 digital coupon on the Walgreens app for the Tide Pods, $1 digital for the Downy Calm, and also $1 digital for the Bounce. So that's a total of $4 in digital coupons. So $21.96 minus the $4 in digital coupons will bring your total down to $17.96. And then you will receive back this $5 register reward for purchasing 4. So with receiving back this $5 register reward, that brought the total down to just $12.96 for all 4 products, or it makes each one $3.24. But of course, I did not pay that because I paired it with my digital booster. And then next up, I have this Gain 88 ounce liquid detergent. Y'all, they dropped the ounces on this because this Gain used to be 92 ounce. This is my first time actually seeing an 88 ounce. Did any of y'all notice that as well? But anyway, this Gain liquid detergent is priced at $9.99. And then this Gain Fling pack is priced at $9.99 as well. So the deal with the Gain products is that when you buy 2, you will receive back a $4 register reward. So what you're going to want to do is purchase 2 at $9.99, and that's going to bring your total to $19.98. We do have a $2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app for the Gain liquid, and also a $2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app for the Gain flings. So that's a total of $4 in digital coupons. So $19.98 minus the $4 in digital coupons, that will bring your total down to $15.98. Then you will receive back this $4 register reward for purchasing the 2. So $15.98 minus this $4 register reward will bring your total down to just $11.98 for both, or it makes each one $5.99. So that is everything that I got in my first transaction. So now let me go ahead and show you guys my receipt. So as you can see, the Bounce dryer sheets did rank up at $5.49, Downy $5.49, Tide Pods $5.49, Tide liquid $5.49, Gain flings $9.99, and the Gain liquid at $9.99. I didn't have a paper booster for this transaction. I wish I would have, but it's okay. So that is my $2 for both of my $2 for both Gain products, and then all 4 of my $1 digital coupons came off for the Tide liquid, Tide Pods, Downy fabric softener, and Bounce dryer sheets. So it brought my subtotal to $33.94. I did pay that out of pocket. And then when you look down here where it says earned this visit, I did receive back $28.41. So Again, my total came out to be $33.94, and I received back $28.41 in Walgreens cash. Now, $20 of that $28.41 came from my digital booster. Get $20 in Walgreens cash when you spend $40. And then at first I was wondering, where did the $8 come from? And so I went back, took a look at my account, and I had another digital booster you receive $8 when you make 4 purchases, spending $15. And I had no idea that I was on that last purchase. So that is where that $8 came from. And then the 41 cents is the extra Walgreens everyday points. So $28.41. And that brought my total down to $5.53. But then I received back my $5 for buying 4 of the P&G products. And then I also received my $4 for buying both of the Gain products, which made this transaction completely free, plus a $3.47 moneymaker. So this was a great transaction, you guys. It turned out better than I thought, because I was not expecting to receive that $8 because I was not keeping up with that specific digital booster. So this was a great transaction. And so that is everything that I grabbed in my first transaction, you guys. So now let's go ahead and move on over to my last transaction, which will be a really quick transaction. So in my second transaction, I grabbed all 4 of these Clorox bleach, and this is the 43 ounce. So the bleach at Walgreens this week is priced at 2 for $8, but I purchased a total of 4, so my total came out to be $16. On SWAGBUCKS, there is a rebate for $6 back when you buy 2, and you can do that deal 2 times, and so that's why I maxed it out and I grabbed 4. So you're going to buy 4, your total is going to be $16, and then you're going to receive a total of $12 back from SWAGBUCKS, bringing your total down to just $4 for all of these Clorox bleach, or it makes them just $1 each. So that is a fantastic deal already. And so let me show you guys my receipt. So there are all 4 of the Clorox bleach at $16 total. I also had 4 registry rewards that I used on this transaction. I used 2 $5 registry rewards, 1 $4 registry reward, and then $1 registry reward. My subtotal came out to be $1. Paid that, and then on this specific transaction I got back 16 cents, and yes, I am going to include that 16 cents in my breakdown because I want all of my savings. So $16, and then I got back $12 from SWAGBUCKS. That brought my total down to $4 even. Then I got back my 16 cents in my Walgreens cash. That brought my total down to $3.84. But let's not forget, in my first transaction, I had a money maker of $3.47. So my second transaction, my total came out to be $3.84. So I'm just going to subtract that $3.47 that was extra in my first transaction and apply it to this transaction. So $3.84 minus the $3.47. It brings my grand total down for everything that you see right here. It brings my grand total down to just 37 cents for everything. So this was a really, really great transaction for me, you guys. And all of these items are items that I sell in my bundles. And y'all already know that I am going to sell all of this for way more than 37 cents. So talk about profit. So yeah, you guys, that was my second transaction. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comment section what you all are getting at Walgreens this week. And don't forget to submit your receipts to Fetch Rewards. If you are not using Fetch Rewards, I will have that link down in my description box below. When you sign up using my code, you will receive 2,000 points, which is $2. So that is going to be it for this video, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing if you enjoyed the content that I post. So yeah, that's going to be it, and I will see you guys in my next one.